Well, what's going on, everybody? Freedom and Fire here with a special video that we're basically going to break down my first AR build, which I'm super excited about. I pretty much pieced this thing out. Don't mind the air turning on. So started with the lower. We got everything from Palmetto State Armory. Palmetto State Armory. They're not a sponsor of this video, but that would be awesome if they were. Besides this is just my daily carry Glock 27. This is it, guys. Mind you, it is a little bit cheaper on the glass. It's just a $50 scope right here, but starting out with the lower. So I went ahead and actually got a Sabre BLEM, which was a little bit cheaper because it was a BLEM. I didn't see any imperfections on this, but it is beautiful. So I started with the lower, got that shipped into my local FFL, and then we went ahead and put the parts kit in it, which is just your trigger, your this is all Magpul furniture. So we have a pistol grip here, the collapsible stock here. This does have a forward assist. Our mag release is right here. I went ahead and put a BCM, I believe this is called, it's a foregrip, but it's I think just a BCM vertical foregrip is what they call it. The gunfighter actually is what they call it, I think. And then the scope is just a cheap TruGlo mil-spec optic. Basically, it's got a simple reticle. I cannot talk. Reticle. So everything is, mil-spec charging handle here, and it is, yeah, man, it is just beautiful. So just hold that bolt open there so you can see there's obviously nothing in the chamber here, but yeah, I am super excited how this thing turned out. I have not shot it yet, so next thing is to obviously go to the range and get it sighted in, but man, I am super happy. Everything in total, so I'll probably put a list in the comments of all the links to get all the parts for this, but I mean, it is sweet. Yeah, so the lower, the furniture, foregrip, the sight, I think I'm at a little over 500 for everything. So this is a beautiful budget build. And then I obviously had, since I went a little bit cheaper on the mil-spec options, I went ahead and got 3 PMags here. I think I got like 10, these were like $10 a piece from, I believe it was Gun Mag Warehouse, I think. I'll put a link as that as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm super excited how this thing turned out. Smooth charging handle. I would love to have a little Radiant Raptor on here, but I mean, fire selector safe. Obviously it's awkward, I am right-handed, but you can see the selector works. And yeah, so yeah, she's beautiful, man. Yep. Not the greatest trigger, but I mean, it is not much pulling, boom. So yeah, probably 3 pound, maybe 4 pound trigger. I would like to get a little polished one in there, or even throw in like a Timothy. But for now, for a budget build, man, I can't go wrong. Shout out to Palmetto State Armory, guys. So if you guys have any questions or would like to see more content like this, feel free to comment, subscribe, leave a like if you enjoy this kind of content. So appreciate it, guys. Till next time, freedom and fire. So one thing I forgot to mention, guys, was the upper. It is a 16-inch fully complete mid-length upper, chambered in 5.56. It has a 1-in-7 twist ratio and is covered in nitride. It is a 13-inch lightweight hex M-LOK upper with a bolt carrier group and charging handle.